Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best mini sewer is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast looking to tackle plumbing issues with confidence and efficiency, offering a compact yet powerful solution for unclogging drains and maintaining your home's essential systems without the need for expensive professional services. Number 5. Coquimbo Portable Sewing Kit. Looking for the perfect gift? This portable sewing kit is ideal for travelers, moms, grandmas, teens, and anyone who needs to be prepared for minor repairs. It comes with all the essential tools you need for basic sewing, including threads, needles, scissors, and more, all neatly organized. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this kit makes basic repairs easy. Handle small fixes yourself and save time and money. Everything is securely stored in a compact, zippered case. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry in your bag or suitcase for any situation. Bond with your children by sewing stuffed toys or pet clothes together. It's a great way to teach creativity and enjoy quality family time. What we like. This kit is perfect for on-the-go repairs and small projects. It contains all the essentials you need to fix clothing or create small crafts. If you are a frequent traveler, a student in a dorm, or someone who likes to be prepared for minor emergencies, you should consider this. What people say. Comes with plenty of colors and everything you need. Great price and perfect to have at home for emergencies. It comes well stocked with essential sewing tools and supplies, making it perfect for quick repairs, travel, or learning to sew. Compact and organized, it's easy to carry and use on the go. A versatile and handy kit that makes sewing simple and convenient for all ages. The sewing pins are very strong. The case is surprisingly compact. If you want to carry it on the go, it's a decent option. Number 4. EcoSmart ECO11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Experience endless hot water whenever you need it. Our advanced technology ensures consistent temperature, delivering comfort without interruption. Reclaim your space with our compact design. It's 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters and can be mounted on the wall or at the point of use. Enjoy incredible energy efficiency. It only heats water when you need it, unlike traditional tanks that constantly maintain temperature, saving you money. Our patented self-modulating technology intelligently monitors water temperature and flow rates. This ensures optimal efficiency and performance, always within 1 degree of your selected setting. This powerful unit is ideal for bathrooms, small sinks, or office break rooms. It provides a consistent flow rate suitable for point-of-use or low-flow applications. Choose the smart, efficient, and space-saving solution for your hot water needs. Experience the difference with EcoSmart. What we like. This provides continuous hot water without ever running out, saving you space and energy. It's ideal for point-of-use applications like a single bathroom or a small sink. If you're looking to upgrade to an efficient, on-demand hot water solution and want to save on energy bills, this is a great choice. What people say. It heats up quickly and provides steady hot water for as long as you need. We keep it set at 110 degrees, which makes for very hot shower but not scalding and no problems using other sinks at the same time. Instead of using a low-flow shower head, I went with a pressure-enhancing head, the thought being that why should I limit the flow of water before I had the chance to find out exactly what the capability of the heater is. As it turned out, water pressure wasn't a problem. Number 3. Camco Rhino 3-in-1 RV Sewer Hose Adapter. Enjoy smoother, easier RV hookups every time. This adapter is designed to reach challenging sewer drain angles that standard hoses can't access. This camper accessory features a flexible seal that adapts to 3, 3.5, or 4-inch inlets. It even works with damaged threads for a secure, odor-tight connection. The swivel bayonet fitting rotates a full 360 degrees, ensuring a no-twist connection. This minimizes strain on your main RV septic hose. An integrated pull handle and wing design make disconnection quick and clean. This keeps your hands clear of the mess. This kit includes a pre-assembled Rhino Extreme hose, a 3-in-1 seal adapter, and a pull handle for your convenience. Made with heavy-duty materials, it withstands repeated use and various camping conditions. You can rely on its performance for a long time. Using this RV accessory is simple. It effortlessly connects to sewer inlets with a simple push, streamlining your sanitation setup. What we like. This adapter makes RV sewer hookups incredibly simple and secure, even with damaged inlets. Its flexible design and 360-degree swivel action ensure an odor-tight connection without hassle. If you're an RV owner who wants to streamline your sanitation setup and avoid frustrating hookups, this is the tool for you. What people say. Works on straight pipe, threaded, or damaged threaded pipes. Fits multiple sizes too. It has quickly become an essential tool for hassle-free and sanitary sewer connections. The design of this adapter hose seal is brilliant. It combines three important functions into one compact and flexible unit, making it incredibly convenient for RV owners like myself. Number 2. MicroStitch All-in-One Tagging Gun Kit. Introducing the MicroStitch All-in-One Tagging Gun Kit, your solution for delicate and precise tagging. Its ultra-fine needle is engineered for delicate fabrics, ensuring clean tagging without causing damage. This comprehensive kit includes the tool, an ultra-fine needle, and over 1,000 microfasteners to get you started. With a generous supply of 1,080 microfasteners in black and white, you'll have plenty for extended use. Forget messy pins or glue. This system offers a clean, secure, and hassle-free way to attach items. It's perfect for quick clothing repairs, quilting, hemming, fashion alterations, and various crafting projects. What we like. This tool offers a clean and precise way to tag fabrics without causing damage, perfect for delicate materials. It comes with a generous supply of fasteners for all your repair and crafting needs. If you need a quick, mess-free solution for clothing repairs, alterations, or crafting, and want to avoid pins or glue, this is an excellent option. What people say. The mini sewer is a compact and efficient tool for small plumbing tasks. Its design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. The tool effectively clears minor blockages in drains and pipes. Number 1. Pink Power Cordless Electric Scissors HG 2043. Introducing the Pink Power Cordless Electric Scissors, your new go-to tool for effortless crafting. This versatile cutter makes any project a breeze. Get everything you need in one box. Each purchase includes the cordless electric scissor unit, 2 blades, a charger, and a long-lasting lithium-ion battery. Say goodbye to hand strain. Its easy-to-reach power switch and powerful motor let you cut through materials with minimal effort, perfect for extended use. From delicate fabrics to tough cardboard and carpet, this tool handles it all. It's ideal for crafts, sewing, scrapbooking, and opening packages with ease. Enjoy up to 2 hours of continuous cutting on a single charge. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery ensures you can complete your projects without interruption. Designed for comfort and convenience, it's lightweight and compact, weighing less than a pound. Its ergonomic handle is suitable for both left and right-handed users. What we like. This electric scissor set allows for effortless cutting of various materials, reducing hand strain during long projects. Its cordless design and rechargeable battery offer freedom of movement. If you enjoy crafting, sewing, or need to open packages regularly and want a powerful, easy-to-use cutting tool that can handle diverse materials, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The mini sewer is a compact and efficient tool for small plumbing tasks. Its design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. The tool effectively clears blockages in drains and pipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.